recessive traits where if you have the dominant allele, then you have at least one dominant allele that will mask recessive, and you have just a dominant allele expressed. You also have this goofy thing during meiosis when you have the homologues paired up. So when they say that's number 1, they're paired up really close, by the way. This is the number 2. You can have, we'll say this is this little gene right here, and there's gene markers that go all the way across there. When they're this close together, what they can end up doing is tangling up. So you get that weird thing where people go, well, what happens if my grandparents are like this, or my parents are like this, and you have the weird thing. One of the things that breaks all the rules is when these two arms tangle up, these two sections tangle up, what will happen is you get these things called insertion or deletions, where when they tangle up enough and then they pull apart during anaphase, they're going apart during anaphase, because they're tangled up, they actually tear and rip the side off. This side will go to this side, and this side will go to this side. They'll switch off. And you can have it evenly where that one section evenly switches off. You can also have it where we get this whole section gets torn off, but only on this side, only this much gets torn off. So then you end up with something called an insertion or deletion. Deletion means that you lose DNA, insertion means there's added DNA. So then you have problems going on there. Normal crossing over happens all the time. That's what adds an additional element of variation to the sexual reproduction thing. Okay? That's that. You want to turn that off? Stay classy.